Hello?
Yo, Matt, what's going on, bro? So
basically, I've recorded some sound effects using this Lark 150 microphone they've sent me, and I need your help to turn it into a music track. Do you reckon you can help me out?
Yeah, sure. Send over the files.
Cool. Send them over, mate. Cheers.
Mind the gap between the train and the platform.
What's going on, guys? So we're here in London. I'm in front of St. Paul's and we're filming a video for the Film My City Sounds campaign with the Lark 150 microphone right here. The video that you just saw, the soundtrack was created completely from sound effects captured by this microphone right here, made by Matt. And what we're gonna do now is go around London, film Zaki skating past some iconic city landmarks and capturing the sound effects and putting those in the video. So I hope you guys enjoy this section. Let's go. I'm probably just gonna stand right here.
When I lay my life down for my family. Yeah. 2015 I started moving. I remember starting on the finding what's the movement.
Hello, mate. What do you call it? Moving on the ground? Rolling, that's it. Right, so right now what we're gonna do is capture some sound effects of the skateboard, rolling along the ground, hitting the ground. So let's go do that.
I was grinding, I was cooling. Like a baby, I'm dancing with demons. Late night, I was up.
You nearly went into that thing. I thought you were going into this. So we're gonna get a snare now.
Wolf, you can't tame me, you can't fade me. Still got the city on my back, running forth down on fire.
So we're here in Piccadilly Circus getting the last few scenes for the film. It's kind of like night time now, the sun has set, so it's going to be quite cool to get some silhouettes, and it's quite busy here. The sound effects are going to be pretty mad. So let's capture some shots now.
Came up from the mud, refine me. I be in the dark where the light be. Hit 'em up like in Miami.
Matt and I been in the studio since 2 p.m. and it's now 6 o'clock. So we've been in the studio for about 4 hours making the track for the film that you just watched. You can see here Matt is creating the whole track in Ableton. He's the kind of like brains behind this whole song. But yeah, every single sound that you hear in this song was captured by the Lark 150 while we're in London, and we've kind of tuned some of the stuff, added some effects to the tracks to make it sound better. So yeah, it's actually been quite a fun process seeing it all come to life, seeing how Matt works, and I'm quite excited to actually get back and edit the video now. But you guys have already seen the video edited, but I haven't seen it yet. So hope you guys liked it, and yeah, I'll catch you guys next week. Bye-bye.